Welcome to Q3, the best place to live during your student years here in Manchester. If you've chosen to study in Manchester, you really are looking at the #1 for contemporary student living in a friendly, safe, culturally diverse and relaxed environment. You'll make loads of friends here. Let me show you around. Here at Q3, we've got a mixture of rooms. This is a typical one-bed apartment. It's got everything you need to make you stay comfortable. A fridge, freezer, an oven, and even a dishwasher. The one-bed apartments come with a very comfortable double bed, and there's plenty of storage space. All our rooms are en suite. This is a typical shared apartment. As always, it's got everything you need. There's even a communal TV with the TV licence for you covered. All rooms have a broadband access point. This is a Q3 lounge. It's a great place to make friends and to socialise. There's even an Xbox, so you can come down and play a few games with your friends, or you could just stick a couple of DVDs on. There's even high-speed internet access. Q3 have not only made this a great place to live and to study, they've also chosen the location wisely too. It's close to the universities, it's handy for supermarkets and for cash points, and it's got great public transport links. For extra peace of mind, the site is secured with CCTV, an electronic fob entry system, and an on-site team that's contactable 24/7 should any issues arise. It all adds up to a well-managed and maintained site. Thinking about those other additional needs that may present themselves to the busy student throughout the course of their time here in Manchester, Q3 also has on-site laundrette, specially adapted rooms, free parcel collection. Q3 has combined all the great aspects of student living into one great location. It's a great place to study and a lovely place to live. What are you waiting for? Get down and arrange your new home now.